Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the app language on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, just tap on App Languages. Now as you can see, these are all the apps on your smartphone. Now as you can see, all the apps are on system default. But if you want to change the language of specific apps on your smartphone, just select the app which you want to change the language of. Now from here, just select your language, just like that. Now if you go to your home screen and open the app which you have changed the language of, as you can see, we have successfully changed the language of our specific app. And this is how you can change the app language on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.